Okay, so example number 3a, in addition and subtraction of radicals. So we have square root of 9 plus square root of 25. So kung makikita nyo, hindi siya perfect or hindi common ang radicand nila. So meron tayong 9 at 25 dito. So sa unang tingin, aakalain nyo na hindi pwedeng i-add yung coefficient dito na 1 kasi hindi sila magkaparehas ng radicand. Pero pwede nating i-simplify muna itong mga radicand natin. So kung makikita natin, 9 is a perfect root or perfect square root. Ganon din sa 25. 25 is a perfect square root. Okay? So, square root of 9 is, that is 3 times 3, and that is 3 squared. So, that is 9. So, square root of 9, and that is equal to 3 squared. So, cancel natin to, cancel natin yan. Lumabas si 3. Okay? Yan. And then, yung 25 naman, 25 is 5 times 5. So, meron tayong 5 square. Square root of 5 square is 5. Cancel natin yung 2 na exponent and then yung index. So, lalabas si 5. So, that is 5 plus 5. Okay. So, pwede na natin i-add yung coefficient na 3 and 5, and that is 8. Okay. So, this is our final answer. So, tingnan nyo mabuti kung pwedeng i-simplify yung mga radicand or yung number na nasa loob ng radical symbol. Okay. So, example number 3b. So, meron tayong 4 times cube root of 27y minus 1 times cube root of 8y. So, sa unang tingin, akalain mo na hindi sila parehas ng radicals. Pero kung isi-simplify natin to, makakakuha tayo ng same radical. Okay, so umpisa natin dito sa 27. So, 27 is a perfect cube root. 27 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, and that is cube root of 1, 2, 3. So, cube root 3 raised to the third power. So, yan natin yung exponent na 1, 1, 1. So, meron tayong tatlo. Meron tayong tatlong 3. So, cube root of 3 cube is equal to 3. So, cancel natin yan. Cancel natin yun. Lalabas si 3. Okay. So, that is, ito na siya. Cube root of 27 is 3. So, lumabas si 3 times 4. So, that is 4 times 3. So, naiwan si y sa loob ng radical symbol. Okay. Next, yung 8 naman, 8 is a perfect cube root din. So, ang 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So, we have 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So, meron tayong tatlong 2. Okay, and cube root of 2 raised to the third power is equal to 2. So, cancel natin yung exponent, cancel natin yung index, lumabas si 2. And then, ito siya. At naiwan si y. Okay, so kung makikita natin, pares na sila ng radicals. So, cube root of y and then cube root of y din dito sa kabila. Okay, so simplify na natin. Multiply natin yung 4 and 3. That is 12 times cube root of y minus 2 cube root of y. So, pwede na natin i-minus or i-subtract yung 2 dun sa 12. Okay. So, 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 times cube root of y. And this is our final answer. Okay.